I'm Srijan. So today we are going to talk about something a lot of people hear about and understand what programming or coding actually is. So let's be honest. When people hear coding, the picture some hoodie wearing genius typing green lines on a black screen, like hacking into the Pentagon. So that's not the thing, that's not even close. So here's the truth: programming is just giving instructions to computer step by step, so it does exactly um, it does exactly what you want, right? So that is not that's it, that's the whole idea. So you can actually think about something, like you can imagine, like you're a teacher, you're teaching a robot to how to make a sandwich. Like you can't say make a sandwich, like the robot doesn't know what it means. So you have to just say pick the bread, put it on the plate, open the peanut bar or mayonnaise, spread the peanut butter and put the second slice on, right? So every tiny steps like matters. Okay, so if you miss one, and the robot might just throw the peanut butter on the floor. So that's basically what coding is. So yeah, writing, like you have to write everything step by step. So instructions that you give, it's like it's a computer, right? So instead of English, we use programming languages like Python or C programming, or many of you may know JavaScript or C++, right? So these are the programming language that only computers understand. So like they just work as a basic compiler or a interpreter that actually converts our user level language to machine level language. So these are the ways, like we use Python and or C programming to talk with these computers. So now, like you might think, why we can't just talk to computers in normal English? Because they doesn't understand language they like the way we do. So deep down, computers knows is ones and zeros, and the on and off, and maybe electricity and no electricity. So these are the things that actually they know. But so basically, programming language are translator between, that I said, between human thinking and ones and zeros. So yeah, and once you know how to talk to these computers, you can build insane stuff like websites, like these apps like Instagram or WhatsApp, games, even like AI tools, like everything, even robots you can make. So everything that you see, like in the device you are using, the mobile phone, everything that you are using, like in this, like everything that you are using digital are running through this programming. Okay, so coding is not just some magical impossible skills like only genius can do, but no, you can also do. It's a language that everyone can do if you like start practicing. If you learn it and practice, you can easily can do programming. Okay, so the thing is, I just want to I just uh, got some feedbacks from you guys that you actually don't understand what I say, like in English, right? Some of you guys don't understand English, so I'll be maybe in this video I'll be using, sometimes I'll be using Hindi too, like for your better understanding, right? So like for your better understanding I'll be using Hindi, maybe. So let's see. So today I will start one programming language with you all. We will start C programming. Like, okay, we'll do some basic. We'll learn some basic things. So yeah, so I'll just sharing my screen, and you guys catch it up. This is my laptop screen as you can see. So I'll just first share a PPT with you guys. Okay, I'll just hide it. So I just made a PPT for you guys to for your better understanding. So first programming that we are going to learn is C programming. You can say that we can say actually we say it that C programming is the mother of every language. So it is very this is the basic of programming or coding. Okay, so if you go or give interview, there they will first ask what C programming, like they will start with C programming. Okay, uh, so yeah, you have to know C programming so thoroughly. You have to know it. So this actually builds a concept. So okay, so C is something so that is developed by C itself, and C is so powerful that it made um, Python with, like, Python is also a programming language, so it was made by C only. Okay, so C is very much powerful. So where you can actually run C, you can run C in Microsoft Windows, or you can run if you use Linux. That then the very good. Don't have to download any compiler. So yeah, you might be asking now what compiler is. Compiler is something that actually converts this user level language to machine level language. Okay, it's a like it act as a interpreter also. Like there is a difference between a compiler and a interpreter. Okay, so the compiler actually converts that user level language to the machine level language. As I told in the starting that computers doesn't understand what we actually say. Like they don't understand our local language or English. They don't understand. So they just understand what are zeros. They understand things in zeros. Okay, so yeah, they understand things in zeros. So for that we use a compiler. So many of you are using Linux. Like those who are using Linux, they can, like, they don't have to download any online platform. They can run in their own terminals. Okay, as I am using Microsoft Windows, uh, yeah, I have to download a online platform or Microsoft, that is the VS Code. Microsoft, like it is powered by Microsoft, and maybe some, like I'll be using it, but for now I'll be using Notepad, and through CMD we can also get C programming outputs. So yeah, and for my opinion, Linux is very powerful or very strong than Windows. So I will suggest you to use Linux over Windows. Okay, like if you are a programmer, if you do programming, then you should use Linux because it is much more powerful than Microsoft Windows. So what actually Linux and Microsoft Windows are? Some of you might have questioned. These are the operating system. Like in phone, we have Android or iOS, like in iPhone. So in Android, like this, we have like similarly we have in laptops and desktop we have Linux and Microsoft Windows as our my operating system. Okay, so this is the structure of the C programming. Okay, so this hashtags line, this line start with this hashtags. It tells the compiler to include libraries before compiling it. Okay, so there are global declarations, the variables and constants visible to every function in the file. There is a function protocol, or the declare it declares the function's name and signature ahead of full definition. It has a main function, that is this is the main function. Every C program's entry point is this. So you have if you have to execute, so you have to start with this function int main function, and the function definition, this is the actual code body. Okay, so yeah, this line actually is the header file declaration stdio.h. It actually studio is the output input or output, you will see. Yeah, so this is a file name, so this is a header file. As I told, there is this include hashtag include stdio.h is the header file. Okay, so we have standard library headers like studio.h, math.h, and many more. So studio.h is the input and output, and math is a math function. We'll use these outputs on these libraries, or the header files we will use in our programming. Int, float, car, and void. Like not void, int, float, and car. We can, if you know Python, you can easily know what are these. Like we have used int, float, and car, and void, double, and bloom. Like these are new for me, especially these double and bloom. These are new, but for void, maybe if you know JavaScript, then you have been using this void or double or bool. So yeah, these are the arithmetic operations that we will use: plus, minus, then relations is equals to, not equals to, greater than, no, greater than, equal to, logicals, that is and that is or, nor. We have we will use gradually, we will use. These are the assignment. Plus is equals to plus. Plus is equals to is actually we use to shorten our code. Okay, rather than, like if you are writing any code, like you have to sum something, like you have to know, you want to sum of a plus b, you can write a plus is equals to b. Okay, so this way you can write. These are the loops that we will use: for loop, while loop, do loop. We will see gradually. We will see what how we actually do things. Okay, so yeah, so I guess rather than showing you a PPT, I guess I should show you a programming. Okay, so yeah, let's start simple programming. Let's do some simple programming. I am using Notepad. You can use VS Code also. For using VS Code, you have to download a compiler, maybe MinGW, so that you can just convert the user level language into machine level language. Okay, so let me just write a code. Like whenever you start any code, you have to write this line: include stdio dot h. This is the header line that we generally use. So you whenever you have to start, as I told, whenever you have to start, you have to use this line. So I'll just write a main function. So yeah, int main brackets curly braces. So this is in the, within the curly braces we will get our body of the code. Okay, we'll have the body of the code. Let's do our first code as it is our first code. So we'll write our first code as printf. We'll print if hello world, hello world colon. Or this colons will work, right? Then you have to write return 0 again colon. Colon is something which is very important. You have to give colon to run any program. Okay, so we have what we actually did is we have written a code. This code actually print this hello world. Okay, so if you have want to print something, you have to give a uh, print. You have to write printf so that it can give you as the output that you want to make. So I'll just give it a name. I'll just save it in this C programming file. So I'll just give v.c. Let's give this name a file this v.c. Okay, so I'll just save that in C programming file folder. So if you want to run this programming like in notepad, if you want to run, you have to first create a folder. Okay, so I have created a C programming file where I will save everything. Okay, every programming file I will save. So this is the taskbar. So you have to go and write cmd. This will open an interface. Okay, this will actually open an interface. So here we have to write gcc or g++, then the file name. We have given the file name as v.c. So it open the file, and if you just put a, it will actually run the code. So yeah, as I told, this code actually run or print this hello world. As you can see, we got a output as hello world. Okay, so this is a rule. Maybe this is a rule for um, this is actually a rule when you are doing you are writing your first code. You should always start with hello world. Okay, so there are these are the variables. There are so many data types and all. So you might ask what these variables are. Variables is the name of the memory location which stores some data. Okay, like this is storing a data, right? This will actually store a data in your memory. Okay, so there are character size also. There are data type, like how much they save and what byte of memory they are using. There is a lot of things. Okay, so there are 32 keywords in C. Okay, so there are so many things. So we have run our first code. So let me just run another code for you all. Okay, let me just run another code. Let's just for practice. For practice, we'll run code, maybe a calculation code. Let's just add two numbers. Okay, not add first. Let's we will do that. Not leave it. We'll do that in next video. I'll show you. So let's just first write, like first know how to write. Okay, like how you can get outputs. Like right, like first start writing with printf. Practice printf. Okay, print anything. Your name, my name is coding. My YouTube channel name is coding. Yeah. Okay. The way I am writing in the same way you have to write it. Okay, or else it will show you error. Like if you just miss, like if you just miss this colon, what will actually show you? No, it will show you error. I will show you how it shows. So cgcc we no, it's just okay. It's just printing it. Same thing. It's just printing. So let me just save it again. Dot c. Yes. So it will print again. Oh, sorry. Yeah. CMD will run it gcc v dot h. Sorry, v dot c. Okay, there. Yeah. As you can see, it gives a error because I have not given the colon here. Okay, that is why it is giving me error. So every step is important. Every step, whatever you write a code, every step you have to know. So for printing something, you have to write printf, then bracket, give double quotation, then whatever you want to print, you will write. Like I have written my YouTube channel is coding bhaiya. Then again double invitation close, then bracket close, then column. These columns or yeah, these characters. Okay, so yeah, let's me just save it again. Dot c save. Yes. Right, then again go cmd, write it gcc. Okay, gcc dot v. Okay, it's giving error no input file. Why it's giving me error no input file? Why? Arre, yeah, to save it again, maybe give bv dot c. Save the file with bv dot c. Yeah, again I have to open cmd gcc bv dot c. Right, so it give input as my YouTube channel name is coding by you, as you can see it. So this is my output. So this is how you can uh, print something in C programming. So in the next video we will do some more practice. I will tell you how you can use other functions like scanf to give input. Okay, we will learn many more things. So for today, I'll just end it here. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. It will be grateful. I'll be grateful to you all. Thank you.